Do for me, Rachel.
What?
Wash this for Penny and wash her water in here. Clean thing of water. And
Just so you know, you're being video recorded.
I don't want to be. I don't want to be video recorded.
But I won't keep this video.
I want to see myself.
I'm just doing it for Penny's sake.
Rachel, be careful. You want to splash everything here. Okay?
You're not. I'm not recording your upper body.
Why? My lower body is better than my upper body?
No, I'm only recording your. I'm recording Penny.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at her.
What can you get when you fall in love? You like things all over. So at least in tomorrow. Oh, Rachel, I made this amazing dumplings.
You need dumplings?
I made this amazing dumplings. Chive, and I'll make it for you.
Okay.
Chives with shrimp. And give me a kiss and say you love me, Penny. Give me a kiss and love me, Penny.
Penny,
Okay, let's go see David's video.
come here, Penny.
Did you already do a video?
It's still recording. Penny, tell Penny to come here. Put her in my direction before I end this video.
Penny, look over there.
Penny, over
Penny,
here.
look over there. Look at David.
Hey, hey, you come over here.
It's a picture blue. It's a picture. Oh, whoa, whoa. She kissed my nose.
Hey, Pops, you just look over this way.